So in this lecture we are going to discuss how to calculate the API gravity of the distillate vapors and for the residue. So for the distillate vapors we can calculate the API gravity either by the graphical methods. We have a graph, for example this is a graph used for the Tata-Juana crude oil. So in this we have a 3 y-axis and 1 x-axis. X-axis is basically volume percent. In the y-axis we have API gravity, sulfur content and TBB temperatures. So we are concerned about that API gravity. So for calculation of API gravity for the distillates, we need to find out first the mid volume percent of that cuts. That is important. For example, as we have taken the light naphtha, heavy naphtha, light distillate and heavy distillate, we have a range of all these distillates. So we can find the mid volume percent: 6.3, 18.1, 32.5, 46.5. These are the mid volume percent of the light naphtha, heavy naphtha, light distillate, heavy distillates. So we have to find out the API gravity for these one. For example, go for x-axis and search out for the 6%. That comes around I think here it's a very close, this one 6%. So we can find out at 6%. so this is a line for 6%. Then we can go for again about this is API one, it's very close to the 70 value. If you go for this is a 70 value, this is, so it is a very similar, very near about the 70 value. So for light naphtha similarly we can go for the heavy naphtha and for others also with the help of the graph. But normally in the Excel the second method, that is using the equation, or you can use the equation for calculations of API gravity. The equation is developed by the previous graph. So this is the equation. We can use that equation where y is the API and x is the mid volume percent. You simply put the x value as the mid volume percent, these x values, and you can get the API gravity. For example, for light naphtha, if you put this 6.35, you will get 69.4. In the graph we have seen that it comes around 78 degree API, so it's very close to the real values. Similarly for the heavy naphtha, similarly for the mid volume percent at light distillate, heavy distillate and sorry, overflash also. So this is a way to calculate the API gravity for the distillate products. Now come to the API gravity for the residue liquids. So how we can do it? This is a graph where we can calculate it. The important thing is that on the x-axis, that is a volume percent. This volume percent is basically the whole crude, not the mid volume percent. That is the difference between the residue and the distillates. For example, our residue is about, the range is 51.5 to 100. That is, the yield is 49.5 volume percent on whole crude. So we have to search for 49, that is very come to the 50. So we can go at 50 value. This is 50 value and this is API graph. Okay, so this, if you go on the y-axis, this is 15, 16, 17. It is very near to the, between the 17 and 18. You can take 17.5 value. So this will be the API value. So in this way we can find out the API of the residue. So in the residue, on the basis of yield, that is a volume percent, in for the distillate at the mid volume percent you have to calculate the API. Thank you.